Hey, this is Donovan from Plungie USA. I'm here with Matt Daniel from Lonestar Plunge here outside of Austin, Texas in the hill country. As you can see, we got a beautiful Plungie Max behind us in the blue Lagoon finish with this amazing view out here. So in this case, homeowner got a hold of us at Plungie. We vetted them, went through the process of how we can get a pool delivered to your house. And of course, they asked for a dealer. That's where Matt came in. He's able to come out, quote the job, and get this thing installed in a matter of weeks.
Well, it was really easy. In just a couple of short days after getting the lead from Donovan, we came out here and met with the homeowner and kind of talked to him about the process, how the Plungie works. In less than a month, they had a pool in the ground. I think the great part about what you're seeing here is the versatility of the Plungie. You can see the beautiful view. We got an above ground pool here surrounded by amazing trees and all kinds of other decorative concrete. So the process is really easy, and I know the customer appreciated kind of the seamless transition of being handed over from Plungie to me.
And if you're interested in adding Plungie to your arsenal in your business, give us a call at 855-PLUNGIE or plungie.com, that's Plungie, and then you also can be installing pools like this.